Hello children, good afternoon. Today I am going to narrate a very interesting story. The name of the story is The Beggar and the Five Doses. The Beggar and the Five Doses. The Beggar and the Five Doses. It is very interesting story. Children, in this story, I will tell you about a beggar couple. It is the story of Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, in a village, there lived a beggar couple. The name of the beggar's husband was Shankar and his wife was Padma. In the daytime, the beggar Shankar went out for begging with a empty bowl, and he returned with a bowl full of rice for the day meal. It was the routine of their daytime. They continued it each and every day. One day it was so happened that the neighbor invited the couple to a feast, and among the people of the village, doses were always a part of good things served on the festive occasions. Means doses were very lovely items in the feast. Shankar and Padma had their fill of doses at feast, and they were so pleased with them that Padma wished to prepare some doses in their own home. That's why each and every day they decided to save some rice to prepare dosas at their home. After some time, they have some rice, and that's why they were determined to prepare dosas at home. So Padma's, the Shankar's wife, Padma, went to her neighbors and bring some black dal to prepare dosas. Padma prepared dosas, and there were 5 dosas. They also prepared very nice chutney to serve dosas with, delicious chutney, and the number of dosas were 5. Shankar decided to distribute 2 dosas to each of them. But after that, 1 dosa was left. Shankar did not want to divide the 1 dosa in 2 halves, so that he wanted to get the full dosas himself. So he made a plan, and the plan was that Shankar and Padma stressed either side of the kitchen door and they decided who will speak or move first will be loser, and the next one will be winner. The winner will get 3 dosas and the loser will get 2 dosas. So in this way they passed 3 days. Neither Shankar nor Padma moved. They lied on the either side of the kitchen door like dead person, lifeless. When the 3rd day the door of the Shankar and Padma's was not open, so the people of the villagers were worried what happened. Padma's and Shankar's door was still closed. So 2 persons went inside the Shankar's house from the roofways and they opened the door. There was a crowd in front of Shankar's house. When they saw that Shankar and Padma was lying on the opposite side of the door, in front of the door, in the opposite side, they were lying like a dead person. It was a very hot day. Shankar and Padma were feeling very bad in the sunny days, so there was a bit of respite. They were sweating in the sunny day, but the villager did not notice. After some time, when Shankar sneezed violently, after that Padma sat down and said, she is the winner. She will have 3 dosas. The villagers did not understand the matter, what was happened among them, between them. So they asked many questions from Shankar and Padma and knew the whole story, why Shankar and Padma were lying in front of the kitchen door like a lifeless person, like a dead person. They knew the whole story, but when they went to the kitchen, the dosas were completely destroyed with the red ant. So one of the villagers said to the both person, Shankar and Padma, that he will invite both of them for a feast and serve them dosas. Thus Shankar and Padma fulfill their hungry with delicious dosas. Children, this is the story of poverty, how a poor person has to lead a miserable life. They could not fulfill their hunger with some delicious food item. Children, it is the very important lesson of your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.